Hello. This assignment is fairly straightforward. The main difference is that there's not an option to have this one read to you, so you will have to do the reading. So you'll open your assignment. The worksheet will pop up. Notice it's a short little story. It's just 5 paragraphs. Obviously, if you have someone at home who can read it to you, if you want that, you can. Now, I should point out, Cami does have a text-to-speech feature. It doesn't sound as nice as the one that we can use with the benchmark books, but there is the option to have it read to you. I don't think you can hear that, but you can see just press play and it should read. It sounds a little more computerized, but if you're stuck on a word, that is a good option to help you figure it out. So you'll read the story, you'll answer the questions. As I said before, sorry, lost my train of thought. You might need to go reread. So you read the story, you get to the questions, and you go, okay, how is an ocean dandelion different from the common yellow flower? I don't remember. So then just go back and reread it. Okay? There's nothing wrong with going back and looking for your answer. That's what the best readers do. Notice question 2 does say, what is a question you had while reading this article? So what do you wonder? Maybe you wonder why it is the way it is, or where in the ocean it is. How big is it? What does it look like? How did it happen? So just a question. You're not answering anything. You are writing a question that you had while reading the article. And then you're answering the questions. Notice it also says underline the sentences that help support your answer. Whoa, it started reading it to me because I was clicked on text to speech. So that's a good reminder. If you want to just read a part of it, it will do that. So you want to underline it, show your evidence, show how you know how it's different. So how do the animals in an ocean dandelion rely on each other? Again, how do living things help each other survive? And then again, another, what do you wonder about it? What questions do you have? So that's another chance to ask a question that you might be wondering. And so if your first thought is, I don't have any questions, well, think about it, okay? It doesn't tell you very much. These are very unusual creatures. So really, really try and think, okay, what's something that I could ask someone? If I got a chance to meet with a scientist that knew a lot about these creatures, what would I want to ask them? Or maybe you just wonder about another sea creature, like are there other unusual creatures like the ocean dandelion? Really try. Don't just write, I don't have any questions. Stop. Think about it. Think about, be curious. Curiosity is good. So that's all I'll say about that. And then you'll turn it in, and that is that assignment. Good luck.